Watching this video, you will be able to know how to apply the CSS font properties. And the CSS font properties are font family, font size, font style, font weight, and font variant. First of all, let us look about the font family. And the font family properties specify the font for an element. The element for our example is this paragraph, and there are many types of font family values, and some of them are Times New Roman, Serif, Elephant, and etc. etc. And let us apply the font family font family properties to this paragraph. And I've already written the code, and this is our font properties, and this is the value of the font family. Now let us apply and see. Let's say first, and the default form of font family is like this. And when you apply elephant value for font family, let us see the effect. Yep, the font for the paragraph changes to element. Now let us apply the font size property to this paragraph, and the font size will set the size of your text or font, and the default font size is 16px. And let me apply the font size for this paragraph. Font size, let me apply default is 16px. Now let me apply 30px. Save, and let's see the effect. Without applying the size, the default font size is this much, which is of 16px. And let us execute our font size value and properties here. When we increase the font size, the font size of this text will increase, and when it decrease, the font size of the property can decrease. According to your need, you can apply the font property value to your text. Nextly, let's try to learn about the font weight. And the font weight property sets how thick or thin the character in a text should be displayed on the browser, and its values are normal, bold, and can also specify the value for the font weight. And the default font weight is normal, and let us apply the font weight for this paragraph. Let us apply normal, and save it. In the normal form, the font weight is this much. When we apply normal, it will remain same because the normal font weight is default one here. Let's try the different value for the font weight and see the effect. Let me try with bold, and let us say. And when we apply the bold value, this paragraph will become even. This paragraph will become bold. Here, we can even apply the value for the weight, font weight uh, a number. Let us apply 900 px and save it and see the effect. Refresh. Now let's try to understand about the last font CSS property, font variant, and the font variant specifies the font variant, and the default value is normal. It is only two values that are normal and small caps. In a small caps font, all the lower letters are converted to upper letter, but the converted uppercase letters appears in a smaller font size than the normal uppercase letter in a text. Now let us apply the font variant for this paragraph. Variant, font variant. Let us apply normal first. This is the default font. Let's apply and let's see the effect. Uh, Before applying the font variant, we could see, and the normal is default font, and when we refresh it, the page, the size and nothing will change for this text because when we have applied the normal font variant, because the normal font variant is default value for the font variant. Sure. And let us change the font variant to small caps. When we apply the small caps, the lower case letter will changes to uppercase letters, and the changes to this paragraph will appear in a small font size than the original uppercase letter in a text. Caps. Let us save and see. Sure. The small caps, small letter will change to uppercase, and the size of the size of the converted character will be smaller in size than that of the original uh, capital letters. That is like T. You can compare T with these capital letters.